Hey everybody, welcome to Intentionally Fit. This is day 46 of the PiYo Challenge. You are either doing strong legs or buns today, and I'll be honest, this is my favorite section to work on. I enjoy working legs and my backside, so I feel like I really have to work at something, and I really enjoy how I feel afterwards. So that being said, strong legs is hard today. It uses the slides. I wanted to go a little bit deeper into all of the moves that she did. And I will let you know the last section, and she does the abduction exercise that you bring your knees in and out using the slides. It about killed me. So I want you to remember to really push into the slides. It will help you maintain your posture and maintain correct form. I hope you have a great day. We are almost done, and it's really early today. So I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.